What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lorna Marie, and today for you I'm bringing you 5 of my favorite kits that I always have to have on me. They call me the kit queen here because your girl likes to be prepared, and I like making a well executed kit that basically has everything in it just in case. So if you're interested in that, definitely consider subscribing and hitting that little bell because I have a lot more where that came from. If you guys are interested in that sort of thing, definitely follow me on Instagram because I post a lot of product information and all of that good stuff. And also, if you guys want any of the products that are in the video today, I will have a blog post listed down below that has everything in it for you guys. And if you guys want to see what's inside of my 5 favorite kits that I have on me, then just keep watching. All right, the first kit, number 1, bathroom bag. So this is a kit that I like to have on me at all times. Sometimes the bathrooms are sketchy. So this is a diaper bag, bottle bag. So you can use anything, but I just like that it's small, it's sleek, it has a handle. You can just toss it in a tote bag, a beach bag. And I'm starting off with all my feminine products, seat covers, and toilet paper. Super important. I love how sleek it just fits down in there. And then I'm adding some Clorox wipes, some baby wipes, and some little cloths, some booty wipes. Those are actually to keep you fresh and clean. Some poopery that you can spray in the toilet if you have to go number 2, some hand sanitizer, some soap sheets, little cloths, and some more sanitizing wipes. And it all fits in here perfectly. Alrighty, kit number 2, the EDC bag. I feel like this is probably my most important kit. If you guys are not used to this type of thing, it is mostly a survival kit. So it's not your basic thing that you keep in your bag. This is if shit hits the fan, if there's an emergency of any kind, especially with the temperature of our country right now. I think it's so important to have emergency things on you. So I am actually doing an updated version of this bag, which I'm super excited about. So stay tuned for that. It's coming very soon, but I have all of the necessities in here. Customizing this bag on where you're at, what temperature it is, I think is a really good idea. But I have all of the supplies that you could possibly think of. It does change when I travel because there's certain things in here that you cannot carry on a plane, but let's go over everything really quickly. So I have a little sewing kit, some Manuka honey, there's multiple uses, hair ties, I have fire starters, electrolyte mix, Clorox wipes, we have a little miniature handsaw, face mask, gloves, then I have screwdrivers, scissors, knife sharpener, ferro rod to start a fire. Multiple ways to start fire is always important. An emergency thermal blanket. Then we have some mosquito patches which help keep the mosquitoes away. And then we have a compass, can opener, knife, tweezers, chapstick. I have Tylenol, different pills. This is my little first aid section here. I have a little mini crowbar. I mean, everything you can possibly think of. A knife. There's a multi-tool in here. Kit number 3, the tech bag. This bag is so beautiful and sleek and small. I love it so much. It has all of the items I need to stay charged and connected to every device that I have. So first of all, when you get in here, it has little sections to help you stay organized, which is really, really nice. And don't forget, you guys, I'm going to be listing all the products for you down below in a blog post. So this is some spray that helps you clean screens. You can do it on your phone, your computer, your iPad. This little guy is a pen that has different tools on either end. It helps you clean speakers or your headphones. Then I have an Apple Watch charger. It's like an external battery. You charge this battery and then you can put your Apple Watch over it, which is really nice to have. Then I have these chargers. These are one of my favorite external battery chargers, you guys. They just plug right in without having to have any cords. And the best part is, if you can see it in the back there, there's a dock that they can go on. So you just set it on there and it charges everything for you, which is so very nice. Then I just purchased some extra little short cords and adapters. And then we just have this wall plug-in. It's like a USB port, but it also has a USB-C, which is super nice. And I love that it's small and sleek. And then my favorite charger, it's the clutch charger. You guys have seen this before. It's so small and sleek. It's like the size of a card. It's so nice. I have a discount code for you guys, ALM10. I will be linking that in the blog post as well for you guys. And then last but not least is this little kit. It's a little tool kit that has all the different adapters. Kit number 4, the everyday pouch. Now, this is basically my purse that I have on me all the time. So This is the purse that goes inside the purse if I have a day bag or a beach bag or anything, or if I just want to run out of the house really quick. This is the bag that I use. I just recently shared this with you guys. All these videos will be listed down below in the blog post so you guys can see the full version if you guys want to check those out. But the first item I like to have on me is the Apple tag. Then we have some body lotion, an under eye brush, and an eyeshadow brush. I definitely like to have these on me. Some toothpicks and a wisp. I like having a little mini toothbrush, some hair ties, some Tic Tacs, gotta have the breath mints, and some Listerine strips. Then we have some pills. I like to keep my vitamins and some Tylenol. It's nice to have them all on you, and I love these little cases. Next up, we have some SPF. I have some waterproof matches, which are great to have. Hand sanitizer. Then we have some sting relief, hand wipes, sanitizing wipes, stevia, Band-Aid, and we also have some off for those nasty bugs. Then an alcohol prep pad, and I stick it all inside of this little sleeve, which makes it nice and sleek. Then we have some eye drops, some SPF lip balm, which my whole family can use. I have a little mini flashlight, which is nice and small and sleek. And then I have a little tool, which this pops out into scissors, grippers, all kinds of tools on here. It's a little pricier, but it's totally worth it. And then I have a magnet. There's so many uses. You drop your keys in a drain. Some lip products, and then I have a pen. Always have a pen on me. Some Benadryl itch relief, a Tide stick. Never leave the house without it. Just some perfume and some more poopery. I gotta have it in every area just in case. I like redundancy. I feel like if you have more than one, it makes sure you keep everything on you. And then I have a mirror. There's also this little card tool. It has multiple tools on it, and this also has other tools. So if you need it, I pretty much have it on me. It's got a flashlight, all kinds of stuff. And then there's the charger again in this bag. And the final kit is my essentials pouch. Now this goes in the bag when I carry a larger bag, my day bag, a beach bag, whatever it is, but it has all the essentials. I have a brush. It's got a little mirror on it. Love this thing. And then we have some perfume. This one smells so good, you guys. It's alien. Some lotion. And then we also have some Q-tips. These are makeup removing Q-tips. Now I do have multiples, you guys, of things if you're noticing. My pill kit, but I like to do that because I don't want to forget anything. Hairspray. We have a little deodorant. Then I have some more soap sheets, some tweezers, a migraine stick, and then I have a lighter, which is nice to have. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed my 5 favorite kits. I have so much fun making these videos for you guys. Hopefully this is helpful to you. That is always my goal, that the things that I share with you are useful. Like I said, everything is listed in a blog post below. I put it like 5 times so you guys don't miss it. And definitely come say hi in the comments. I love getting to know you guys. It is so much fun for me to be able to interact with you. And if you're not following me on Instagram, don't forget to go do that. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I know you could be anywhere and you chose to be here with me. So if you've made it to the end, leave me a heart emoji and let me know that you did. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and until next time, I'm always your girl, Lorna Morning. Bye.